Hey everybody, really quick video, Mitch here. Samsung front load washing machine. Ours was making a clunking sound. I got on, listened to a couple of videos about the different sounds and the different possibilities that it could be, but they didn't really cover this one. Everything kind of pointed to shocks, the 4 shocks that hold the bottom 4 corners of the drum, and another one was talking about the bearings. Bearings make a pretty distinct sound when they're going out. They grind and they pop. But there won't be a lot of movement to the drum. I was getting a lot of movement and a clunk, a significant clunk. So I did order 4 shocks and I put them in, and I was a little bit apprehensive about taking this machine apart, but that's point 2 of my video. Number 1 is describing this clunking sound, and number 2 is don't be afraid to take this thing apart. It's very simple. As you can see, look how simple. I mean, look how simple that is. And that is sarcasm, you know. But I mean, in all seriousness, it's just a few parts. These things are amazingly, surprisingly simple. I'm a millwright and an electrician and a mechanic, so these things come natural to me, but I really have a strong feeling that even if they don't come naturally to somebody else, there's really only a few parts. You're going to be just fine. Don't be afraid to tackle this. So let's see. The clunking sound that I was getting was a heavy clunk, and the way that I found it was when the washing machine was empty, I would rock the drum back and forth, turn it to the left and counterclockwise and clockwise, and I could hear a clunking fall. When it got to like top dead center, I could hear it go clunk to this side, and then I'd rotate it and it clunked to that side. Never having tore one apart, I thought it was a counterweight of some sort. But I did watch a video on the complete disassembly, and that's when I saw that there's a guy called the drum rotor spider. I'm probably goofing that up, but mine, obviously, it's just made out of pot metal, and this washing machine is about 14 or 15 years old, and what happens apparently is, you know, everything erodes at some point. But this is probably a clunking that you get, and people just throw this washing machine away. Mine was the expensive one, 120 bucks. So I ordered off of Amazon. It'll be here in a couple of days. The part number's right on one of the arms. Just make sure you get the right one. But what I'm trying to say is there wasn't a video describing this clunking sound that I was hearing. Very indicative, rotating it clockwise and counterclockwise, and what I was hearing was the physical drum shifting to the left and to the right. That would be this arm, because everything was broken. So if you're hearing that clunking sound, that's the guy. And it's not that bad. It's encased in the plastic part, the outer shell. You got an upper half and a lower half down there. You'll recognize these parts. Those are the counterweights that go in the front of the machine. The electromagnet. Everything is plug and play. You can't get the plugs wrong. They only go to one spot. It's just the way that they're made. You can't screw it up. I know some guy's saying hold my beer, but I mean seriously, it's really simple. This machine's simple. So anyway, hope that helps. Don't be afraid to take this thing apart. It's not that bad. You know, and get back to washing your clothes, especially in dirty underwear.